This is the Motorola One Fusion Plus, an upcoming mid-range device from Motorola that is launching alongside the Motorola One Fusion next month. Today, the Fusion Plus was listed on the YouTube device report, and in case you don't know about this website from YouTube, here the phones that offer a great YouTube experience are listed. Some of the latest devices listed here include the Motorola Edge Plus, OnePlus 8 series, etc. Anyways, coming to the Motorola One Fusion Plus now, the website reveals not only the full design of the phone but also a few specifications of it. Talking about the design first, the phone has a full screen design on the front, which means there is no notch or a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. Now this means that there is a pop-up selfie camera, and the Fusion Plus is not the first phone from Motorola to have one. Last year the Motorola One Hyper was launched as the first Motorola phone with a pop-up selfie camera. Now, the rear design of the Fusion Plus is similar to the design of Moto G8 series phones. So there is a quad camera setup placed vertically on the top left. Also, there is a rear-facing fingerprint scanner, which means the Motorola One Fusion Plus comes with an LCD panel instead of an AMOLED. Also, looking closely at the camera setup, there is a 64 megapixel text, which means the phone has a primary 64 megapixel camera. Again, not the first for any Motorola phone, since we have seen it on the Motorola One Hyper. One interesting thing about the design is that there are 3 buttons on the right side of the phone. So alongside the volume rockers and the power button, there is also a third button. Now this could be a dedicated button for the Google Assistant, but maybe this button has some other purpose that is unknown. Finally, the USB Type-C port is placed on the bottom alongside the 3.5mm headphone jack. A few specifications that the website revealed include a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 SoC, a 5000 mAh battery, and Android 10. Well, the Motorola One Fusion and Motorola One Fusion Plus are launching in June, which means we still have a lot of days to get to know about the rest of the specifications and possibly the price as well. What do you think of the design of Motorola One Fusion Plus, and at what price do you think Motorola should launch this phone? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.